Hello, my dear friend. Today you can make with me this beautiful, soft cocoa bundt cake. Golden brown on the outside, fluffy and tender on the inside, full of delicious cocoa swirls. While it's baking, it will fill your whole kitchen with the most amazing aroma. And when you slice it open, it will simply enchant you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you'd love to see more homemade, mouth-watering recipes. Leave me a comment too. I'd really love to know how yours turned out, who you're baking it for, and what version you'd like to try. You'll find all the ingredients and the detailed step-by-step instructions in the video description below, so you can follow along easily. Come on, let's bake together this wonderful cocoa-rich, fragrant bundt cake that will surely win everyone's heart. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 150 milliliters warm water, 150 milliliters warm milk, 60 grams sugar, 1 egg white, 8 grams instant dry yeast, 60 milliliters oil, 520 grams wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon vanilla powder, 10 grams cocoa powder, 30 grams butter, 15 grams for each dough portion. Pour the warm water, milk, and sugar into a bowl. The milk and water shouldn't be too hot, but they should definitely be lukewarm, while the other ingredients need to be at room temperature. Add the yeast and mix well. Add the oil, vanilla extract, salt, and optionally, dried vanilla seeds. Add the egg white, then sift in the flour gradually, mixing each time. Knead the dough by hand until smooth, then divide into 2 equal parts. Knead half of the butter, 15 grams, into 1 portion of the dough, place it in a clean bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and set aside. Knead the other half of the butter into the second dough portion, then also knead in the cocoa powder. Place this into another clean bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let both doughs rise until doubled in size, about 1 hour at room temperature. Try to shape the dough into nice, tight balls. For the filling, mix the cocoa powder with the sugar, then gradually add water, drop by drop until you get a thick, sour, cream-like consistency, not too runny. When the doughs have risen, roll out the cocoa dough first into a 40 by 40 centimeter square. Sprinkle with flour, fold into quarters, and set aside. I'll share a little secret with you. When rolling out dough, always roll from the center outward, up, down, right, and left. This is the easiest way to roll out any dough. Watch in the video how I do it. And you can easily roll your dough into a square shape if you stretch it toward the corners. Always roll from the inside out. You can use starch instead of flour for rolling out any dough, and for sweet doughs, you can even use powdered sugar. Just be careful. Never use too much flour, starch, or powdered sugar, as it can change the texture of the dough and make it dry. Roll out the plain dough to the same size, spray lightly with water. This helps the layers stick together. Then place the cocoa dough on top. Align the edges carefully and smooth gently with a rolling pin. Spread the cocoa filling over about 1/3 of the dough and sprinkle with chocolate chips. Unfortunately, I accidentally left the chocolate chips in the bowl, but it still turned out really delicious. Just a bit missing that crunchy texture, haha. Roll up the dough until 2/3 of the way, then cut the remaining third into strips about 2 to 3 centimeters wide. Twist each strip individually, then continue rolling the dough so the twisted strips cover the roll. Carefully shape into a ring and place it into a greased or non-stick sprayed Bundt pan. Cover and let rise at room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes. Mix 1 egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of milk and brush the top of the dough. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden brown. Remove from the pan and cool on a wire rack. Dust with powdered sugar. You can enjoy these for breakfast or with your afternoon tea, spread with butter, Nutella, or jam, whatever makes you happiest. If they don't get eaten the same day, they taste even better the next day or two. Just warm them up a little in the oven or microwave. Thank you for watching my video. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and leave a comment. This not only makes me happy, but also helps my channel grow so I can share even more delicious treats with you. Write in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next, or if you'd like me to make this same dessert in a different version. Feel free to experiment at home, try different toppings, and share your results with me. See you in the next video, and until then, I wish you lots of tasty treats. Bye.